Okay, so today we've got a delivery. We don't know who it's from. Let's see, Isa.
I'm gonna cut.
Okay, you cut.
Okay, let me cut that first.
Okay.
Whoa.
It's from
Matchbox.
Matchbox.
Ooh.
Let's see.
Ow.
Let's take it out. The box.
Woohoo!
Matchbox. Okay, slowly. Just wait. Let's see how it comes out.
Whoa! It's two cool cars.
Okay, so there's a Matchbox. What's this? Neck rest. There's a Helsinki power bank set. Swiss Cougar. We always need a power bank, don't we? Okay. There is a, what is this? A Matchbox keyring.
Ooh, cool. What is this bag for?
And there's a Matchbox, it looks like a cooler bag. Oh, cool. Matchbox cooler bag. And there's a Matchbox Gary Player collection bag.
Cool. But there's...
Okay, so that's a Gary Player collection bag.
Ooh.
And Isa has already taken out the Hummer H2 SUV concept and the Lamborghini Gallardo police car and a 1941 Cadillac Series 62 convertible coupe.
Maybe.
So we say thank you to Matchbox for all these cool things. This is part of their Drive Your Dream Car campaign. We'll tell you a bit more about that soon. But these are the cool things that we've got from Matchbox. Keep a lookout on our social media pages at iloveza.com. That's hashtag iloveZA, heart South African flag, hashtag after Fajr grind. And also visit our website, that's iloveza.com. And check out all our reviews and everything else about Matchbox. And we'll keep you up to date about the Drive Your Dream Car campaign. I'm Ziyaad, and this is Isa, and
We love Sadie.
we love Sadie.